mascara, lip gloss.
My woman.
Whoa. Whoa.
Is she rich? Yeah.
She got money too from me.
I know, she's loaded.
Loaded in. She's not only loaded in the purse, she's loaded in the pants. Jesse, what do you have to say?
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. Happy birthday. Okay.
Hey, Jesse, look at me. What else do you have to say? Jesse.
I
You.
think Daddy wants you to say you love him.
I love you.
What's in that one?
Oh no, that's mine.
No, not.
It's good that she throws it on the floor. What's that?
Whoa.
What?
Too much makeup.
What?
Whoa.
I didn't see this in it.
You might have to help her.
There you go.
More makeup.
Makeup. Woo.
But you're not going to put that on right now before Chuck E. Cheese. I'm sorry. Okay, next. Hey, what was your big present this year? What did Daddy and I buy you?
Puppy and a dog.
Well, no, that's her Christmas present that she found.
We got a quad.
A quad.
Hey, Jesse.
Wow, she's a lot of makeup.
Yeah, she likes makeup, don't ya?
Jesse.
Makeup is going to be her small present. Lots of it.
Help her, Coach.
All right. Happy birthday, Jess. Where are we